Hey guys, got another card share here for you. I made I made a folded card with the More Dragonflies to Stamp set, and also used this folded card, which is called Gate with Fence Die. And I cut this out of dark gray, not really dark, just a medium dark gray. I cut that out. I found a lighter gray that had a little bit of kind of a pattern on it, and I cut it out. I cut the strip out to fit the back of the gate. I embellished the front of the gate with the die cuts, the ephemera pieces out of the Trendy Twig kit. I got a wreath and some flowers out of here. Popped some of the flowers up with dimensionals. Stickled all the middle of the flowers with stardust. And then black Versamark ink stamped the You're Pretty Wonderful out of the More Dragonflies to Stamp set, that sentiment there. And then cut out the banner strip, angle cut the two sides, and then popped it up on dimensionals on the front. And so then on the inside it says, You're Pretty Wonderful, my friend. And so then the back panel, I cut this out of a light gray cardstock, and what I did was I took this same die and I just put it on a piece of cardstock right to here, and then I trimmed each side down just a tad, and then the bottom off about 1/4 of an inch. So this was an eighth, and a quarter off the bottom, so that way it would look like it was a layering piece for the inside of the gate. The gate card fold, or fence fold card. And in light gray, I cut that out of light gray. So then what I did was I took the panel and I used the mountain stamp out of the Moose Mountain stamp set. I black Versamark inked it and then clear embossed it. So I stamped a set on this side and then just 2 of them on this side. And that way it kind of met in the middle, the little piece that's hanging off. See, like, there's a little piece that sticks off each side. And I just kind of try to meet those in the middle there. And so then what I did was I took my Stamps of Life ink and I watercolor brushed the mountains, the background, and then I was trying to make, and then the moon, and then I was trying to make it look like it was reflecting in the water. So after I water brushed the mountains with black licorice, I did the top of the mountains with grape. And then, so then what I did was I cut out a Post-it with the We Are Memory Keepers 1.5 inch heart punch out of a full sticky Post-it, and I stuck it over the top of the mountains after I colored them. And then I stuck another one upside down in the water, so like the moon was reflecting into the water. And then I washed the water brush, washed the background with the sky is with midnight, cornflower, and then grape. And then the moon is lightly done in grape. And then I outlined the heart moon with the grape fine liner on the Stamps of Life marker. So then what I did was I took a white gel pen and a black Faber-Castell fine liner pen, and I shadowed one side and highlighted the other on the tops and on the sides of the mountains, and then across the moon and the bottom of the moon I highlighted it. And then I went over the tops of the mountains with my Nuvo glitter gloss shimmer pen and did the mountains and then the moon. And then I was trying to tie in the I wanted some stars, and I was trying to tie in the stickles. And so I put stickle drops, stardust stickle drops on there, and I thought they would look like stars. They look like janky raindrops, and I wasn't a big fan of it. So then what I thought was, well, I either ruined it or it'll be really cool. And I think it actually came out really cool. So what I did was, after I put all the drops on there, I just kind of smushed them out, ran my finger across them to kind of smush them out and streak them across the sky. And I think it looks cool. I think it looks kind of like, you can see like faded stars and then all the glitter, like little glittered night sky. So I think it actually came out really cool. So then on the bottom here, I used all the same colors in the sky. And then I added black next to the mountains and then a little bit into the water down here. And then I took the same white gel pen and fine liner pen, drew some squiggle lines to make it look like the ripples of the water, and then around the heart, and then highlighted squiggles on the heart, shimmered the reflection of the heart moon in the water, shimmered that up. And then I stamped out my friend from the More Dragonflies to Stamp set, that one there, and stamped it in Versamark black ink, clear embossed it, cut out a strip, cut the diagonal sides, and then glued it on there. Stamped out the dragonfly out of this set with same thing, clear embossed Versamark black ink, and then used ocean, and on the water brush, I water brush colored it, smush it on the block, used my water brush pen, applied the ink, the color. Well, on it, there was some blue still left on it, and so it mixed with the ocean, and I got this really fun little blue, kind of a blue turquoise color there. And then the wings are done with guava and grape. So I did guava towards the body and, grape towards the body and guava on the outside, and then blended them together with the pink and then with the water brush marker, not the pink, the water brush marker. I just blended them together. And then shimmer, glitter glossed them, Nuvo glitter glossed them up, did the wings up there. And I think this just came out super fun. You're pretty wonderful, my friend. How fun is that? And I think it's a really fun card. So I got my, I just got my Stamps of Life Club kit today. After I made the card, otherwise I would have used one of these. That would have been fun to use, like the little flying one and stuff. That would have been cool, but that's okay. I'm super stoked, and I could have used some of these other sentiments, but that's all right. I'm gonna make a bunch more cards with these because these are really fun. I really am enjoying the Dragon Flies to Stamp Club set. This is actually pretty fun, and it came with this cool idea card, so very excited to make these. And I thought this card came out super fun. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. We'll catch up with you again soon. And I got a haul video. I'm going to do that right now. So thanks, guys. We'll chat with you soon. Bye. Hey, I was going to tell you too. I actually did a little change to this card here. And I added the glitter onto the little pink flower swirls, and I think actually it made it look that much better, and it needed something else down here, and I couldn't quite figure out what to put down there. And I think the glitter pen really amped it up and added that little bit of extra that I think it needed, and I think it made it just look that much more fun. So wanted to share that with you, and super cool, super fun. Anyhow, okay, that's it. Now I'll get on to the haul. Okay, thanks, bye.